Watch this. Wind me up and watch me go. I got the mouth fascinated, elevated, maybe upstairs. Baby, I'm celebrated, overrated, I don't really care. Cause I'm a bad bitch like that. I'm a party all night bitch like that. All you gotta do is tell me how you like that. Do you like that? Yeah. Hit the lights, don't kill my vibe. Hands up like this, cut the line, we'll go all night. Think I won't do it? Watch this. Think I won't do it? Wind me up and watch me go. I got that good hypnotic, straight iconic, got a good glow. Look at me doing damage, little more savage than you know. I can show you a good time, I can get you lit up like dynamite. Don't you kinda wanna know what it feels like? Don't it feel like that? Hit the lights, don't kill my vibe. Hands up like this, cut the line, we'll go all night. Think I won't do it? Watch this. Think I won't do it? Wind me up and watch me go. I'm just here for a good time. Baby, I'm just here for a good time. Maybe I can show you a good time. We'll do this right. Hit the lights, don't kill my vibe. Hands up like this, cut the line, we'll go all night. Think I won't do it? Watch this. Think I won't do it? Wind me up and watch me go.
Let's learn Elevated. It's choreographed by Rob Fowler. It is a 32 count 4-wall improver level line dance with one tag on the end of wall 5. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts. Talk about and practice the tag on the wall that it's supposed to happen. And then we're going to go around and do 6 walls of the dance so you can practice how the dance flows as well as that tag so you can dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Elevated. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do 2 walks forward, step right, step left. You're now going to do 2 kicks forward with your right, keeping your foot off the floor, kick forward, right, right. We're now going to step back with our right and you're going to tap your left toe slightly across your right towards the front of your toe. You're now going to step forward with your left and we're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, hitching our right knee up to face 9 o'clock. Let's try that with some counts. We're stepping forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to step our right foot to the right side and you're going to tap your left toe behind your right. For styling, if you would like, when you tap behind, you can snap and look to the side. You can bring your hands up over your head and look to the right. Whichever feels good for you, you can snap, you can put it over, have a little bit of fun with it. From here, we're going to do a rolling vine to the left. So we're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left, you're at 6 o'clock. You're going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right, you're at 12 o'clock. You're going to make another quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the side, and you're going to touch your right next to your left. We're now going to step our right foot to the side and touch your left next to your right to end that section. So let's try that with some counts. We just hitched our knee up. We're stepping to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do pony steps back. So we're going to take this left foot, you're going to step it back, and as you step back, you're going to bring your right knee up. You're now going to step down on that right foot, coming onto the weight of your right foot. Then you're going to step your left foot back again and bring your right knee up. We're going to repeat that to the right. So we're going to step our right foot back, bring your left knee up, step down onto your left foot, step back with your right, bring your left knee up. We're now going to do a left coaster step, step our left foot back, right together, left forward. Step forward with your right, and then step your left foot to the side. Let's try it with some counts. We just touched our left next to our right. We're gonna do our 2 pony steps back. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. On those pony steps, think step, ball, step, step, ball, step. And if that feels really hard or your group has trouble with those, or you need an easier option, you can just do 2 shuffle back, left, right, shuffle, right, as an option to make it a little bit easier. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we ended with our weight on our left foot. We're gonna step back with our right foot. You're gonna take your left foot, you're gonna hook it up to your right shin, and now we're gonna shuffle forward with our left step, left, right together, left, forward. To end the dance, we're gonna do 2 quarter pivots over our left shoulder. We're gonna step forward with our right. You're gonna make that quarter turn over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot. You're now at 6 o'clock. You're gonna repeat that, step forward with your right, make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot. You're now at 3 o'clock, ready to start the dance all over again. So now let's try that part with some counts. We step to the side for 8. We're gonna step back. It's 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the end of the dance. There are some other styling options. When we step out, you can put your hands up in the air. There's some extra things that you can do. So when we step our right foot forward and side, you can go like up in the air if you would like to. These are all styling things, so you can add as much as you would like into it and play with the dance as much as you would like. So now let's face the front wall. We're gonna do it all the way through, 1 time with steps, 1 time with counts. Weight is on your left foot. We're walking forward. Walk, walk, kick, kick, back, tap, step, quarter, hitch, side touch behind, quarter, half, quarter touch, side touch left, pony step, back right, pony step, back, coaster step, step, step. Now you're back hook, shuffle forward, step, quarter pivot, step, quarter pivot. And that is the whole dance. So now let's try it with some counts. The arms and all that extra stuff is totally optional. It's styling, so you can add it or you can choose not to. It's up to you. Weight is on your left foot. We're doing our 2 walks forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. Now, let's talk about the tag. The tag is going to happen on the end of wall 5. That's our front wall. You will dance the full 32 counts to face 3 o'clock. On this wall, you're going to have a 32 count tag. I promise it's not as scary as it sounds. You're just repeating 8 counts over and over again. Okay? So we're here. You're going to end with your 2 quarter pivot, so you'll be facing here. We're going to hop right, left, hold and clap. So we're going to go out, right, out, hop forward, clap. Now we're going to hop back, right, left, clap. Now we're going to do 2 8th pivots to make a quarter turn. So we're going to step forward with our right, step 8th pivot, you're into the diagonal, do it again, step 8th pivot, and you're here. Now you're going to repeat that. So we're just going to hop out, out, clap, back, back, clap, 2 8th pivot. So we're hopping right, left, clap, back, back, clap, step 8th pivot, step 8th pivot. Now we're going to do that again. So we're going to hop out, out, clap, out, out, clap, step 8th pivot, step 8th pivot. Now when we get to this wall, we're going to do the same exact thing, but instead of 8 pivots, we're going to do 2 quarter pivots. So we're going to hop out, out, right, left, clap, back, back, clap. Now do your 2 quarter pivots, step, quarter pivot, step, quarter pivot. And you're going to end facing 12 o'clock with your weight on your left foot, ready to walk forward. So let's try it all the way through. So all of the first 3 times we do it, you're going to do 8 pivots. The last time we do it, you're going to do quarter pivots. So we're facing 3 o'clock. You're gonna hop out, out. Ready? Hop, hop, clap, back, back, clap. Step 8, pivot, step 8, pivot, out, out, clap, back, back, clap. Step 8, pivot, step 8, pivot, out, out, clap, back, back, clap. Step 8, pivot, step 8, pivot, out, out, clap, back, back, 2 quarter pivot, step, quarter pivot, step, quarter pivot. And then you're gonna start all over at the front wall. This will become wall 6 because we're starting the dance all over again. Walk, walk, kick, kick. So let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. We're gonna hop it forward. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're ready to dance the rest of the dance all the way through. So now let's go all the way around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. We're going to dance all the way around. We're going to do our tag that happens on this side wall and do the wall that comes right after. Weights on your left foot. We're doing 2 walks forward. Walk, walk, kick, kick, back, tap, step, quarter hitch. Side tap behind, quarter half, quarter touch, side touch. Left pony step, right pony step, left coaster step, step, side, back, hook, shuffle forward, step, quarter pivot, walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk, kick, kick, back, tap, step, quarter hitch. Side tap behind, rolling vine with a touch. Side touch, left pony step. Right pony step, left coaster step. Now step out, back hook, step, shuffle, step, quarter pivot, walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk, kick, kick, back, tap, step, quarter hitch. Side tap behind, now you're rolling vine. Side touch, pony step back, left coaster step. Step forward, out, back hook, shuffle forward, quarter pivot. Let's do our tag. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2. Now your quarter pivots. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk, 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 kick, kick, back, tap, step, quarter hitch. Side touch behind, rolling vine, side touch, pony back, coaster step, step outside, back hook, shuffle forward, quarter pivot, quarter pivot. And that is the whole dance. After that, you don't have to worry about a whole bunch of stuff. You just get to enjoy the dance and dance it all the way through. I hope this helps you learn elevated. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.